everyone. I'm Athira Rajeev. I'm from Cochin. I have completed my MBA in marketing and I have 4 years experience in the marketing field. I have worked in a marketing agency for the last 2 years. As I was interested in enhancing my skills, I decided to pursue a course in digital marketing. That is when I read about Digiperform in Kochi, and I was quite impressed with the reviews and the information given online. I'm very happy with the professional coaching that I received here at Digiperform. The sessions were very interactive and lively thanks to our trainer. The course enhances our skill sets in various digital marketing concepts like Google Ads, SEO, social media, and it also helps us gain a certification as a digital marketing consultant. I thoroughly enjoyed my experience here and would highly recommend joining Digiperform if you wish to pursue a successful career in digital marketing.